Ese no fue lo que nos filmó.
Mira.
Oh, these my peoples. Oh, I ain't even.
I know he.
Yeah, these my peoples. Y'all remember her from last time?
You don't remember us?
Yeah, man. You see, y'all did good. Them folks love y'all, man. My peeps, welcome back. How y'all doing, man? It's Tuesday right now, baby. Yesterday, I ran out of Lawrenceville yesterday, but I ran out of there so early. By the time I set the cameras up and was ready to start recording, work was over with. It was like, take it back to your plant and shut it down. So I only did one load yesterday. So I apologize for Monday. But it's Tuesday now. We hauling out of we hauling out of Lithonia today. You know what I'm saying? We slinging that mud out of Lithonia today, baby. Yes, sir. We en route right now. Let me tell y'all what I got on. I got 10 yards. Don't know what we're pouring yet. I'm the only truck coming out here. We got commercial fiber in the load. Commercial fiber strengthens the concrete, adds substance to it. You know what I'm talking about? Easy, big boy. I slumped him down real good. I put him on a 5. I ain't playing with him. I got a 30-minute ride. Really 35 minutes. I'm going way out here in Loganville. Nice crib. I see y'all. But we had a safety meeting this morning at my plant. Did that for about, what? I'll say about 2 hours. Hour and a half, 2 hours. Then it was like, y'all take it to Lithonia. I just pulled up at Lithonia, got loaded. Now I'm en route. Lithonia only got like 40-something yards today, so they might end up sending us to a different plant after this. I don't know. Or it might be it. But yeah, man. Tomorrow I'm gonna have, there's another new guy. He's in training, so he's gonna be riding with me starting tomorrow. So I'm not sure yet how I'm gonna be doing the film. I'm still thinking on it. You know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful day out here today too, boy. To sling that mud, boy. I ain't gonna lie, boy. Woo! It's pretty out here, and we on the back roads today. One thing about coming to Lithonia to sling that mud, you gonna be on that back road, baby. Yeah, the trees done blooming, looking good, looking nice. What time is it? Oh yeah, it's 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock in the morning. Tuesday morning. I'm feeling good. And I'm finna sling that mud. All my new subscribers, welcome, welcome. You know what I'm saying? Dimitri, down here, mixer truck driver, down here in Georgia. And we just sling that mud, baby, Monday through Friday. If we working. Working slow lately, man. I don't know what's going on, man. Been too slow. I don't like that. Oh! DVR book trying to take me out. That's distracted driving right there. We don't like those. Alright, I'm clear right, but I'm not clear left. Oh, V-turner, we're good. Man, it's nice out today, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all. It's 62 degrees. 62. Slow this drum down a little bit. I was climbing up that hill. Got to keep your eye on that drum speed now. I got him on a 5 slump. I got it pretty nice. I don't know what we're pouring. Cost for a 4, but you know, 30-minute ride. I really put him on like a 5.5, damn near 6 for real, because it got that commercial fiber in there. That commercial fiber made that thing Made that thing, you know what I'm saying? Real nice and thick. They want that extra. What? So I mean, they could be probably pouring like a, I don't know, ain't no telling. Probably a slab, but it's 10 yards, so I don't know. We gonna see. We riding right now though. Yeah, we ride. We enjoying the breeze. Yeah. Yeah, man, I was real bummed out yesterday when right when I put the cameras on my, I was on the thing waiting to get loaded. It was like, my man Lieutenant Dan called me. He was like, they said take it back. So I had to take it back big time. Speed limit 50 on this road. Man, I'm fully loaded, 10 yards. We ain't doing no 50. We're gonna do a 45 piece though. We can do a 45 piece. Yeah, we can do a 45 piece. We going out there too, boy. Y'all again, man, for always tuning in, watching the videos, and the ones that like the videos and comment. I appreciate y'all. When you're driving on unfamiliar roads, look ahead, man. Unfamiliar, you don't know what's happening, you don't know what a turn coming up too sharp, so I'm just really just boom. I've been down this road a few times, but not frequently enough to memorize it. Like this turn right here, coming down on a D-cell, then go straight into a left bend. With 10 yards, you come around this too fast, your ass end up over there big time. Jake Great do his thing going down that hill. Oh! State trooper, we don't like those. Got a nice little hill right here. I'm gonna go ahead and tap that drum about 2 times. Just like that. Just to be on the safe side. I know we're good. But just to be on the safe side, tap it 2 times. There we go. While I climb this hill right here. You got to be paying attention, baby. Now you don't have to pay attention, but you just be a sloppy mixing truck driver and you end up being fired within like a week. See another hill, I'm gonna keep the drum at that speed. Ain't no need to touch it. We're gonna go right back into this climb right here. The reason why I'm so cautious about spilling is because I've spilled at least 3 times before. And it's not a good feeling. It's not a good feeling. You spill concrete on that road. Oh, alright. We'll tap it back. Man, I was supposed to get up. I set my alarm at 4 o'clock to get up that morning and go hit the gym. But my body said, no, baby, take it easy. I just laid in the bed until we had that meeting at work, man. I wouldn't. So I got to go to the gym in the afternoon. Do not like going to the gym in the afternoon. But I finally hit 200. I'm 200 pounds. I was 220. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I was a big nigga. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, nigga will get big, boy. I ain't gonna hold you. Had that gut on me. Yeah, man. Cheeks that was all, I was like, oh man, you got to get back on that hill, tap that drum forward a couple times. Boom, there we go. I was like, I got to get a grip on this. Now I just hit 200. I really want to be about 190 for real. With some muscles, you know, with some tone to it. ain't trying to be no muscle freak or nothing like that. I'm just trying to look good, you know what I'm saying? Look good for the ladies. I'm just playing. I'm just trying to look good for myself, man, on my health. You feel? Oh, small town. Where we at? Atlanta Highway. Ain't even heard of it. Ain't even heard of it. Oh, I see you. I'm just kidding. What's that? Mustang, it's got exhaust on it? Nope. That ain't no Mustang. If it ain't got no exhaust on it, man, it ain't no Mustang. Yeah, like I said, man, I got my new partner gonna be riding with me tomorrow. What's his name is? I think it's Malik. Start with an M, Malik or Marcus, one of them, I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna be off Thursday too, so y'all ain't gonna see. I'm gonna post Thursday, but it ain't gonna be no trucking content. I'll probably just post me, you know, hitting some golf balls or something, man. You know. Yeah, baby, we're slinging that mud, boy. Drop this window right here, man. There we go. Go, we're slinging that mud. And it's sunny, not a cloud in the sky in the good old Georgia right now. Not a cloud in the sky. That's how we like him. Yeah, that's how we like him. Remember, ease on your acceleration when it's time to go. Ease into it. Don't step on it. Don't step on the gas like that. That's a nice Tacoma, big time. I see you, big time. Ease on them. Ease on them. Ease on them. Ease on them. Let them eat now. I like this little small town when I come through, man. Remind me of like the Wild Wild West or something. Cowboy. Man, we're slinging that mud in Loganville. That's where we're going with them. Right now, we're gonna turn on the Lawrenceville Road. Ooh, we out there today, boy. We is out there. Big time. Alright now, big time. I understand you got no vote, but look before you cross that road, big time. Alright, we're not too far away now. City Hall. We're in Loganville now, baby. Yeah. We almost there. Let's see what we gonna pour though. We don't know. We don't yet know. No. Fair ride. Slow the drum now. 1, 2. There we go. That's good right there. We're on level ground now. It better not be winding now. It better not be. So down here in Georgia, when the trees will start to bloom. See these white trees? I don't know if that camera gonna pick. Well, y'all gonna see it on this camera when they go by me. These white blooms that you see on these trees, man, they start to smell real funky when they start to bloom. I've been smelling them too. It's a good thing and a bad thing. The smell is good because it lets you know warm weather is here. It's a bad thing because it smells funky, man. I don't know why it smells so funky, man. But that's how I know it's time for playtime. When I start smelling that smell, oh yeah, I know it's playtime, baby. I know it's almost that time. Daylight savings is here. Daylight savings is here. Time for 9 holes in the afternoon. Oh, turn coming up. Hold on. Which one though? Oh, okay. Going to the left. So it's residential, so we'll probably be. Let me chill. I don't know yet. Old school Chevrolet for sale. Nice and slow, man. Nice and slow. Just like that there. That's how you do that. That was a well-executed turn right there. Nice and slow. Speed limit 35. Speaking of speed limit, a dang school zone got me, man. They got me. Picture, not in my personal vehicle. I gotta go pay an $80 ticket, man. It was a what? 35 school zone, and I was doing 41, or was it a 30 and a 41? It was one on. But I gotta come up off that bridge. They got me, man. Golly, they got me. Oh yeah, big residential. It says we're going in the neighborhood, so it's probably a driveway. Probably a driveway, but this is a new developed neighborhood. What could be being done in a new developed neighborhood? Or I mean, not new developed neighborhood, an already developed neighborhood. Nah, yeah, this is already done, baby. We're doing some kind of project. Probably redoing a driveway, or probably a patio. This time of year, people start making patios so they can grill out, do their thing. Yeah. Look at the wing on that BMW. Hell yeah, brother. Look at the spoiler on that thing. I'm gonna get up close on him too so y'all can see him. Look at him. Woo! Boy, ready. Oh, I see any flying. Okay, I see some work truck. Well, I got so many dang cars down here, I can't maneuver this truck. Okay. Am I in the right place here? Yeah, I see some tire tracks. Oh yeah, that's us right there, big time. Big time. What we doing back there? Oh man, we're doing a patio, baby. Look like they ain't ready. So it's one of these sports where they're gonna be using that Bobcat. I'm gonna pour into the Bobcat. They're gonna drive it back there. They're gonna dump it off. Yeah, that's what this is right here. That's what this is right here, big time. Get to extending that patio or start making a patio. They got plans for the summer, and now's the time to do it too, before the summer get here. What up? Let's see what my man got going on. Patio. Amigo, what the guan?
Just give us one, man.
Man, take your time. I get paid by the hour, big time. Yeah, I get paid by the hour. Take your time, big time. Ooh. What is this, a driveway?
Nope.
Basketball court.
Oh, basketball court.
Cucho. Ese no fue lo que nos filmó.
Mira.
Oh, these my peoples. Oh, I ain't even.
Oh, like, I know him.
Yeah, these my peoples. Y'all remember her from last time?
You don't remember us?
Yeah, man. You see, y'all did good. Them folks love y'all, man. Yeah.
Tiene el GoPro.
Sí, lo subí a YouTube.
We're gonna wait for them to get through and then we're gonna pour them out, baby. Yeah. Yeah, they're my peoples from last time, big time.
Do this job long enough, man. You're gonna run into people that you work with over a period of time and you become familiar with them. So now I feel good because I know they're my folks. This finna be a good pour. You feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and put these chutes on right quick. Be right back, because I know they're gonna need one shoe will be good. Well, one shoe. Hold on, one shoe will be good. Be back, man, hold on. Oh, all right, well, they are ready for the kid. All right, let's do it. You want to let back on up in here. Really speed them up now. Rolling back. Oh, that good mud right there. That good mud right there. Boy, I know how to slump that thing, don't I? Y'all see how good that mud look, man? I mean, come on, man. Who you think is out here slinging that mud? It's me! I like how this one just rotates. Boom, let him ride. Let him eat. Good right though. See that? They can work with that kind of they can work with that kind of mud right there. That's how you want him. Yeah, that's how you want him. I like this bucket right here because it rotates. I'm just used to the ones that just dump it. They go up, dump it, come back down. I like this. It gives you more flexibility with your options, how you want to position that drum. I said drum, that bucket. Slinging that mud, man. We slinging that mud. See how he pulling that concrete? You see how he pulling it? It's kind of probably hard to see from here, but you see how he pulling it? That's called that mud right. That mud right like that, you can pull it, you can work with them. Be done soon the way we rolling. Shoot, the way this, how consistent it is. Shoot, we're gonna be out soon. Actually, I think I'm probably gonna be done after this. I ain't gonna hold you, cause I still ain't ate lunch yet. I'm finna pull up somewhere and eat me something from Publix. Then I'm gonna call dispatch, see what they're talking about. Stomach growling, and I gotta go to the gym tonight too, so I'd rather get something in my stomach now, that way it can start digesting, cause we going today chest day, and we got to go heavy on that chest today, baby. We got to go big Sam Surlock on that chest today, man. You feel me? Man, mandatory. That's why they put that commercial fiber in there, because it was a basketball court. Yeah, they put that commercial fiber in there because it's that basketball court. They wanted him to be a little sturdy. Yeah. But it's all good though. Man, from my plant, this is about an hour and about 40 minutes. I got a nice little ride back to the crib when we get done. But we ain't tripping because we slinging that mud. Yeah. Oh yeah, hey, let me see. Drum ain't rattling yet. You know why? Because I stumped them down good so that concrete stretch. You know what I'm saying? The more water in there, the more she gonna stretch. Look at that. That boy, they got woo-wee. That drum ain't even rattling yet, big time. Boy, hey, boy, I'm out here slinging that mud, boy. Just now starting to hear that drum rattle. still pulling that mud. That's how good that mud is. Them boys still pulling that mud. Like nothing, no problem. Zip, no problem. They're pulling that mud, no problem. That's cause I did my job. It's starting to rattle now. Can y'all hear? Yeah, she popping, making all kind of noise. She finna be out now. I just did a full pour with y'all on a bucket pour. Bucket pours are the longest. If we made it this far to the video, that means the cameras done held up. This is the longest pour y'all gonna be on with me. That's it there. We are empty. Put it back in charge. Raise him up. And that's that. Big time. Ain't nothing else we can do. So I'm finna wash out, and then I guess I'll catch y'all for Friday. Wait, tomorrow what? I don't know what I'm gonna do, cause I'm gonna have my man with me. I'm gonna have my mans with me tomorrow. He gonna ride with me tomorrow, so I might feel, I don't know, I just gotta test the temperature, you know what I'm saying? But definitely I'm gonna film for Friday, cause I'm gonna be off Thursday. I want to thank y'all for stay tuned with me and hang out this full pour on this buggy. Full pour now, full pour. No shortcut, full pour, man. And I'm going to catch y'all possibly tomorrow, but definitely Friday. Y'all hold it down, man.